Let's say that for some reason you don't like the wallpaper that comes by default on your device. Let me show you how to change it real quick. So all you have to do is go to settings, then you will go where on the menu you will go where it says wallpaper right here, and right here you can choose a new wallpaper. When you tap that option, you can see dynamic, stills, and live. If you click any of those, it will give you a lot of options, so you can choose any of these. And let's say you choose this dynamic, and you can set it up like that. Set the lock screen, the home screen, set on both, and now you have a different background. Now let's say you want to more personalize and you want to use a photo instead. The easiest way to do it is just go to the Photos app directly, choose one of the best photos that you see, tap where it says share, the little square with an arrow, and right here it says use as a wallpaper. Tap that one, and you can just make it, pinch it to make it smaller or zoom it in, and just set it up and choose if you want for both or just for one of them. And now you have a really cool wallpaper, and that's how you do it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Remember, I have a free DIY course on how to clean your computer on my bio. Don't forget to check it. I'll see you in the next one.